Meatloaf. Meatloaf is one of America's most beloved comfort foods and has been a family favorite for more than 100 years. It became especially popular during the Great Depression when families mixed ground beef with breadcrumbs, eggs, onions, and seasonings to make the meat go further. Once baked, it forms a thick loaf with a juicy center and a flavorful crust, often finished with a sweet ketchup or barbecue glaze. What makes meatloaf unique is that almost every family has its own special recipe passed down through generations. Today, it is commonly served with mashed potatoes and vegetables as a classic homemade dinner. During World War II, meatloaf recipes were even encouraged to help conserve meat while feeding larger families. People should care because meatloaf is more than just a meal. It represents American history, resilience, and family traditions. Many modern chefs have reinvented meatloaf by adding cheese, bacon, mushrooms, or even barbecue fillings to create gourmet versions. Even today, meatloaf remains one of the most requested comfort foods in American homes because it brings back memories of family dinners and homemade cooking. Fried chicken is one of the most famous meat dishes in the United States, especially in the American South. Its origins combine Scottish frying techniques with West African seasoning traditions, creating a dish that became a symbol of Southern cooking. Each piece is coated in seasoned flour before being deep-fried until the outside becomes crispy and golden, while the inside remains juicy and tender. Many recipes use buttermilk marinades and secret spice blends that give fried chicken its unforgettable flavor. Today, it is enjoyed everywhere, from family dinners to fast food restaurants around the world. Surprisingly, Southern fried chicken became one of the first American foods to gain worldwide popularity. People should care because it represents the blending of different cultures into one iconic dish. Every region in the United States has its own version, using different spices, coatings, and cooking techniques to create unique flavors. The satisfying crunch followed by tender, juicy meat is one of the reasons fried chicken continues to be loved by people of all ages. Buffalo wings. Buffalo wings may be small, but they completely changed American sports food culture. They were first created in Buffalo, New York in 1964, when leftover chicken wings were coated in a spicy mixture of hot sauce and butter. Their crispy skin, bright orange sauce, and spicy flavor make them instantly recognizable. They are usually served with celery sticks and creamy ranch, or blue cheese, dressing to balance the heat. Today, buffalo wings are a must-have during football games, especially on Super Bowl Sunday. In fact, Americans consume well over 1 billion chicken wings during Super Bowl weekend alone. People should care because buffalo wings transformed one of the least valuable parts of the chicken into one of America's biggest food success stories. Restaurants now offer dozens of flavors, from honey barbecue and garlic parmesan to extremely spicy ghost pepper sauces. Some restaurants even host wing-eating contests where participants compete to eat the most wings in just a few minutes. Roast turkey. Roast turkey is one of the most iconic dishes in American culture and is closely associated with Thanksgiving celebrations. Wild turkeys are native to North America, making the bird an important part of the country's history. A whole turkey is slowly roasted until the skin becomes beautifully golden while the meat stays moist and tender. It is traditionally served with stuffing, cranberry sauce, mashed potatoes, and rich gravy. For millions of American families, Thanksgiving would not feel complete without a roast turkey on the table. A typical Thanksgiving turkey weighs around 15 pounds and often provides leftovers for several days. People should care because roast turkey symbolizes togetherness, gratitude, and one of America's oldest holiday traditions. Cooking a large turkey perfectly requires careful timing because overcooking can quickly dry out the meat. Many families use leftover turkey to prepare sandwiches, soups, casseroles, and salads for several days after the holiday. Pulled pork barbecue. Pulled pork barbecue is one of the greatest examples of slow-cooked American barbecue. It is made by smoking pork shoulder for up to 12 hours until the meat becomes incredibly tender and can be easily shredded with a fork. This cooking tradition became famous in southern states such as North Carolina and Tennessee. The smoky meat is mixed with barbecue sauce and usually served in sandwiches or alongside coleslaw and baked beans. Different regions proudly defend their own barbecue sauces, whether vinegar-based, mustard-based, or sweet tomato-based. Professional barbecue competitions often require chefs to cook meat overnight without sleep. People should care because pulled pork shows how patience and skill can transform a tough cut of meat into something extraordinary. The slow smoking process allows the meat to absorb rich wood flavors from hickory, oak, applewood, or pecan, giving every barbecue a unique taste. Barbecue festivals across America attract thousands of visitors who travel long distances just to experience authentic smoked pulled pork. Beef brisket. Beef brisket is considered one of the greatest achievements in American barbecue. This cut comes from the chest of the cow and was once thought to be too tough for enjoyable eating. Texas pitmasters changed that by smoking brisket for 12 to 18 hours over hardwood until it became incredibly tender. The outside develops a dark, flavorful crust known as bark, while the inside stays juicy with a beautiful pink smoke ring. Today, Texas-style brisket is famous around the world and attracts barbecue lovers from every continent. During the cooking process, brisket can lose nearly half of its weight due to moisture and fat loss. People should care, because brisket proves that time, patience, and expert cooking can completely transform an ordinary cut of meat. Mastering brisket is considered one of the greatest challenges in barbecue, because even small mistakes can affect the final texture. Some of the world's most famous barbecue restaurants have customers waiting in line for hours just to enjoy freshly smoked brisket. Steak is one of the most recognizable and celebrated meat dishes in America. It is prepared from premium cuts of beef such as ribeye, New York strip, filet mignon, and T-bone. Whether grilled over open flames or cooked in a cast-iron skillet, steak develops a rich caramelized crust while remaining juicy inside. Every person can choose their preferred level of doneness, from rare to well done, making it a highly personalized dining experience. Steak has become the centerpiece of family celebrations, business dinners, and luxury steakhouses across the country. One fascinating fact is that the famous porterhouse steak actually combines two premium cuts separated by a distinctive T-shaped bone. People should care because steak represents craftsmanship, quality ingredients, and the art of perfect cooking. The flavor of a steak depends not only on the cut, but also on the breed of cattle, aging process, and cooking method. Premium dry-aged steaks are highly prized because the aging process creates a richer flavor and an incredibly tender texture. Hamburger. The hamburger is the most famous meat dish in the United States and one of the world's most recognized foods. It was developed in America during the late 19th century by placing a seasoned ground beef patty between two soft buns. Its simple design made it affordable, portable, and easy to customize with endless toppings like cheese, bacon, lettuce, tomatoes, onions, mushrooms, pickles, and specialty sauces. Today, hamburgers are served everywhere from backyard cookouts to gourmet restaurants and international fast food chains. Americans eat billions of hamburgers every year, making them one of the country's most popular meals. People should care because the hamburger has become a global symbol of American food culture and has influenced restaurants and eating habits around the world. Today, gourmet burgers feature premium beef, artisan buns, specialty cheeses, and creative toppings that transform a simple meal into a luxury dining experience. The hamburger has become such a global icon that nearly every country has created its own unique version using local flavors and ingredients.